What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So I get these comments a lot about my device's wallpaper, whether or not it's going to be the video wallpaper or my 4D wallpaper. And in this video, I'm going to give you guys both tutorials on how to make your device look really good with 4D wallpapers. Really simple to do. Also, I'm going to show you guys a clip from a video that I've done already about my video wallpaper. So let's have some fun, man. Let me show you guys how to do both video wallpaper or 4D wallpaper. So sit back, relax, get your popcorn ready, and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So I got the Galaxy S25 Ultra and I got the OnePlus 12, but you could do this with any device if you're on Android. Okay, let's talk about the 4D wallpaper. Really simple to do. A lot of people always ask me, it's really nice when you move your device, the character or the wallpaper kind of move along with you, which is really nice, right? But this wallpaper comes from a Parallax 4D wallpaper. I will leave the link down in the description below. So what this wallpaper does is it gives you a selection of nice 4D wallpapers that you can select. And actually you could create your own wallpaper if you like, but they have a whole list of nice little 4D wallpapers, which in my videos, I select a few of these wallpapers and I have it here. But yeah, the Thanos one is the main one that I always use on a lot of my devices. But yeah, this 4D wallpaper is really simple. All you got to do is download the application, which I'm gonna leave down in the description below, and select the wallpaper. The only problem is that you might have to watch an ad before you select the wallpaper. But other than that, the wallpaper is really nice. So let me go ahead and show you guys. I'm gonna select a wallpaper real quick and go from there. So let's go ahead and select a nice little wallpaper here. They got so many to select from, but yeah, let's go on and select this one here. This is gonna be the Joker. Now, once you select on this, go say set as wallpaper, and that's pretty much it. And there it goes, right? Nice wallpaper there. Again, sometimes an ad might pop up, and like this, you might have to watch an ad, but no more than about 15 to 20 seconds or so. But yeah, if you wanted to select a 4D wallpaper, you're more than welcome to do that. Right here, go set a wallpaper and boom, there it is, right? And as you can see, it kind of moves. So it's a pretty nice wallpaper. And as you move your device, it gives you that 3D or 4D effect, right? Even if you go up and down. Now, one of the things people always ask is, how does this affect battery life? Well, I mean, battery life is always based on the user. So, I mean, if battery life is a concern for you, maybe stick to your static wallpapers. But if you want to, go beast mode on your device, yeah, these wallpapers are pretty nice. So again, go back. And again, every time nowadays you're going to get a ad, but again, maybe about 5 or 6 seconds or so. But yep, go here. You got the all new 4D wallpapers, 4K wallpapers here. If you want to select, and let's go and get some Batman action. And again, you may get an ad, and this happens a lot, no more than about 10 to 15 seconds. You got to be patient because this is a free app. So you have to be just a little tad patient when dealing with free applications. Okay. And to set as wallpaper, you could set at home, lock screen, or both. I'm gonna go and set at home screen. Okay, there it is, right? And again, this is a nice wallpaper here. So you could either go with the 4D wallpaper, or you could go with the static wallpaper for that. Okay. Now, let's talk about the video wallpaper. Again, I'm going to leave this link down in the description below. Now, a lot of people always ask the question about battery life on video wallpapers. And as you can see, this is a video playing all the time. So yes, this probably going to hit this a little tab harder on the battery life. So if you don't like video wallpapers, feel free to stick with the static wallpapers. But let me show you a clip on how to install a video wallpaper on your device. So check this out. So it's two ways you could do this, right? Well, first you have to download an application that's called Video Wallpaper. Okay, you want to go to your app store and you want to download Video Wallpaper, Video Live Wallpaper. I will leave that link down in the description below, just so you know. If you want to download it, this is the application that I use on all my devices. All right, so there's two ways you can make a video wallpaper. You can download a video wallpaper from the internet and put it on your device and use it as a video wallpaper, or you could use your video gallery of videos you already made on your device. Give you a prime example. This is a video that I shot on this device, and I use that as a video wallpaper. So you can use videos you already have and make them out of video wallpapers. 1+12, really good phone. All right, so in order to do that, you open up the application, and it's a really simple UI here. It's really straightforward here. You got change video. Well, I got a video on there right now, but if you didn't have a video, they would say add a video. Then you got your start and end, which you can, how long you want the video to play. Then you disable the audio. Now, by default, the audio will come disabled. Now, you can scale to fit. Not all videos will scale properly on these narrow displays. And that's it. That's pretty much it. Okay. So if you wanted to have a video from your gallery, you just click on change video or install video, and you scroll down your list of videos, and this you just add it. And when you add it, and that's pretty much it, you just do the start time and end time, and that's it. Okay, so that's really simple, straightforward, no issues with that. But if you wanted to download a video and put it on your device, that's get a little complicated, but I'm gonna make it as easy as I can make it. All right, let's go to it. So there's an application that I've used for years, and it works great. Now, this is a free application that you can use. Now, this application I use is a YTD video downloader. I will leave that link down in the description below. And the reason why I'm saying that is because they got a lot of downloaded videos, software that you can use to download stuff from the internet. But this is the software that I use, and you can use this on Mac or PC. Yeah, when you click on it, now I'm using the free version. Now, it's a paid version and the free version. Let me tell you the difference between the paid version and the free version. The free version is slower downloads, and you can only download one video at a time. So it's going to be a slower download, and it's going to be one video at a time. Now, the paid version, I think it's $20 or something, I don't know. But the paid version, you can get multiple downloads, and it's going to be faster downloads. But I've always used the free downloader. Okay, so where do you get the videos from? Well, let's go to YouTube. On YouTube, I was searching for Superman cartoons. So I got the Justice League here, right? And what you do is when you find a video that you like, so this say, for instance, if I was searching for a video and I found a video I like, I just click on the video, and right here at the top, I just right click and I copy it, right? Okay, when you copy it, then I want to go back to my computer, and right here, I paste it. Okay, once I paste it, then I click on download. Now this is the free version, and it's gonna try to solicit you to subscribe to get the ultimate plan. But I just hit continue here, and now it's gonna be in the queue to download it. Now I've already have a few of them downloaded here, so I want to go through the ones that I downloaded. Okay. While that's download, the next thing you need to do, you need to plug your Galaxy S25 or any smartphone to your PC using USB Type-C or USB Type-A to USB Type-C. Whatever plug you have to connect your phone to your computer, you need to do that. So at this point, I just connected. Once I connect it, you may get a pop-up and you have to allow it. But I've done this so many times, my device don't even ask me, do I want to allow it? So there it is. I got it plugged up to my PC. So when I go back to my PC, right, and that's on the cube, and I've already got this downloaded already. So just say if it's already been downloaded, I got it on right here. Okay, these are the videos that I have. Let's say I want to put He-Man on my Galaxy S25 Ultra. What I do is I right click on the video and I hit copy, and I go right down here to my file system, and I find my device, which is the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and I want to go to the internal storage, double click on it, and I want to go to what's called DCIM, double click on it, and go to your camera, okay, and it's going to pull up all your camera videos and all your stills in your on your device. You want to right click and you want to paste. That's going to bring the video into your Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now it says I already have it, okay, but it's going to automatically download. So I'm going to go down and hit cancel here because it's already downloaded on my device. Now I'm done here. I got the video on my device. The next thing I want to do is I want to go to the configuration. I can unplug this. I want to go to my configuration of the video wallpaper, and I want to go to change video. And usually when you download anything to your device, it's going to be the last videos. So I'm going to go all the way, scrolling all the way down. And there go to He-Man that I downloaded from the internet. And I'm going to do He-Man, even though I got He-Man on this one. So I'm going to click on it. Now, you go hit a volume. I'm going to turn the volume down. But see how I get the intro? What I want to do is I want to edit this. I want to go on and take this and scroll until I get to the part where I want to. Right there. Go back a little bit because I want the introduction to He-Man. There it is. All right. So I got the introduction to He-Man, and I don't want it that long. So I'm going to go all the way back here. And it's about right there. Maybe about 30 seconds or so. And right here, I want to click. And to go to actual select video wallpaper. Now, I've done this so many times. When you do it the first time, it will ask you, do you want it on your lock screen or do you want it on your home screen? But it haven't prompted me for that since I've been doing it for so many times. But it is on my lock screen. Okay, so now I got He-Man on my lock screen. And when I go to put my thumbprint in, now here it is, video wallpaper on my Galaxy S25 Ultra. And look at that. That is dope. Beautiful. All right. So I got about 45 seconds or so, and it's going to start from the beginning again. There it is. Video wallpaper on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. Really, really dope here. Now, all videos aspect ratio may be different because this is a Star Trek video. And as you could tell, the aspect ratio is a little weird here. So not all videos would take advantage of the full display, just so you know. So if you're going to download this, just make sure that it will cover your entire screen because this video right here does not go all the way up. It does not do full screen, but this video does. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and go on and turn your device into beast mode. Download either a static wallpaper or 4D wallpaper or a video wallpaper. Make your device look different all the time. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments below. This is Eric. See you guys on the next video. Peace.